When we start our AutoCAD software, then we may face a error like license error. License manager is not functioning or it's improperly installed. So many times I have faced this issue and I have resolved. So in which process I have resolved that, I will show you every step in this lecture. So first of all, I'll go for first solution. Okay, so in our first solution is that our time here, or set time, is not matching with our internet time or actual server time. So what we'll do, I'll right click here, I'll go to adjust time and date and time. Then if you come here, you may see the set time automatically. This is not on. Okay, so you have to ensure that your time will be automatically, or the time set here should be actual time with internet time. Okay, as per your time zone. So I will on this option, I will again on this option for set time automatically. And if this is not working, after that simply click here science now, and if you see that they have a tick, then everything is okay. Or if this option is not working for you, okay, or if this not giving a tick here or okay sign, and then you have to fix it. I will do it. So I'll close it, go to Windows, search here service, here services, write ACR VICES services app. Then they have option auto time zone updater. Okay, you can see here it's given automatically. It's given automatically for my case, but for your case you may see this is disable or any other option. So I'll right click here, I'll double click here to start. First of all, you have to come here, and if this option is not working for you, password and confirm password local server option, then click here local system account, then allow, and come here in general and must make it first manual, then apply, and then go for restart, then automatic or automatic delay start. So use manual or automatic, then click apply. I'm not going to apply because for my case now it's working very well. So just simply click here and click apply, then okay, and restart your PC. Okay, so I'll close it, restart your PC, and if you think that, or if you see that everything is working properly, then it's fine. Otherwise, go for second step or second solution. Okay, and also if first solution is working for you, please comment on our video that which solution are working for you, so that others user can find that. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel also. So go for second solution. Our second solution is, I'll go here, I'll click here again services, and we'll go to the option. See, here is the option FlexNet licensing server, FlexNet licensing server 64. We have two options. Okay, first of all, we'll open this one, Flex licensing server 64. Then for my case, I have set it automatic, or maybe for your case you are seeing this is disabled or manual, so must set it automatic. Okay, then click apply, set automatic, and if you see that this is not running, then click here start and then apply. Okay, and restart your PC and try for opening your software. Even this is not working, then go for, if this option is also available for you, FlexNet licensing service, as I'm using multiple Autodesk product, that's why I am seeing that. Then again right click or property or double click. Okay, So here make it automatic, and if this is not running, click enter to run it, then apply and okay. Okay, so I'm canceling it. Then restart your PC again and check that the problem is solved or not. So if solved, then a comment or description in your comment box, or go for the next step. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So our solution number 3, I'll go for it now. In our third option, again I'll go here and go to services. Then you have to find out the Autodesk desktop licensing services. In this case, my startup type is automatic and status is running. So I'll double click here and I'll come here. If these automatic system are not working for you, simply click here and click here, and must remember that it should be automatic and it should be running. Simply, if not running, click here after automatic, then apply, okay, and go for restarting your PC. Then restart your software and see it's working or not. If working, it's fine, and if working, please let know that the option third are working for you. So, and must subscribe to our channel. So if this option is also not working, we'll go for option 4, and it will be completely uninstall your software and go for reinstallation. Okay, and must remember, everything should be clear when you will uninstall your software. Go to the, after completing uninstallation, go to your local disk, and here find that nothing should be available here, and go for reinstallation your software. Okay, and also if not working, then go to Google, okay, and search with this title, the licensing manager is not functioning or it is improperly installed. Then you will get the link of Autodesk website. Go there and they have more solution to solve it, and try to solve your problem. And if this option is also working, please let us know, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.